Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been creating on Canva and wondered how to level up your projects with some great audio, whether that's music for a video or a voice recording for your presentation, then you're exactly in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add audio tracks to your Canva videos and recordings to your presentations, making your work stand out and sound incredibly professional. So let's get started and add that perfect finishing touch to your creations. First, let's talk about adding music to a video in Canva. Maybe you've already finished putting your video together, but it feels a little flat or empty without sound. No worries, this is a super common situation, and adding the right audio is easier than you might think. To begin, make sure your video project is open in Canva. Now look down at your sidebar on the left, that's where all the creative elements live. Click on Elements, which is where Canva keeps a ton of resources that you can add to your project. Now you might be thinking, wait, shouldn't music be under audio? Some versions of Canva have a dedicated audio section, but for most users, typing audio, music, or even songs right into the element search bar will pull up a huge library of tracks. Go ahead and type in the kind of mood you're looking for, like happy music or uplifting song. It's a bit like searching for the perfect background track for a movie scene. Through this, you'll see a variety of options. Instrumental, energetic, chill, there's a lot to explore. Once you find a track you like, take a moment to preview it by clicking the little play button next to the title. This is your chance to make sure the vibe matches your video, so don't be shy about trying a few before you settle on the best fit. When you're happy with your choice, click on the audio track, and Canva will automatically add it to your timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now here's something important. The audio timeline sits just below your video timeline. This visual layout is super helpful because it lets you easily see how the music and visuals line up. If you want the music to start at a certain point or you only want a section of it, you can drag and trim the audio to match your video length. Take your time with this part. It really pays off to sync moments in your video with changes in the music. It might take a few moments to get it just right, so don't worry if it seems a bit fiddly at first. That's all it takes to add music to your video, but what if you want to record your own voice for a presentation? Canva makes this easy too. When your presentation is open, look on the top menu for the Present and Record option. This tool lets you record your words while moving through your slides, kind of like narrating a story or explaining your project to a live audience. Simply click the button, hit Record, and Canva will walk you through a simple process. If you stumble over your words, don't stress. You can always stop and redo your recording until you're happy. When you're done, Canva will automatically attach your narration to your presentation file. And that's how you bring your Canva projects to life with audio, whether that's music for a dynamic video or your own voice guiding your audience. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share any questions or tips you have in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.